So Bali has tons of different places to stay when you hear it. There's hostels, guest houses, homestays, private villas, tree houses, so many different options based on what you're looking for. So check out this unique place to stay in Bali. We kind of stumbled upon this in a village that is totally off the beaten path, and we paid $476 a month to stay here. We stayed here for 1 month, and that included breakfast cooked to order every single morning. Check out this cottage. Oh, I'm in love. So we have a queen size bed with the mosquito net, super high ceilings, a little bench or nightstand, a little day bed here, so in the morning my boyfriend likes to sit there as the sun comes up. And these windows, we close them at night. And over here we have a fan, 2 chairs with a table inside. We have water in the bathroom. Awesome sink. We have some storage down here. And then this is our shower. And here is the view when you're taking a shower. Would you look at this? Obviously these doors close if you want privacy, but there's no one around here. Look at what you gotta look at while you're showering. Incredible. Look at this. And then outside we also have these chairs as well as this awesome funky looking table. So yeah, this is our octagon house. So let's see. Hold on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 out of the 7 doors, they open up. So you have like tons and tons of airflow here. Oh, also, yeah, so a lot of this time I've just been working from one of these 2 chairs with the table. And then when I'm working, again, look at this. It's so green here. So green. Occasionally you'll see farmers in the rice paddies here working. But otherwise, you just like listen, like it's just so peaceful. It's amazing. And then over here, so we have breakfast included. And then we also have a private chef for dinner. So that building there is where the kitchen is and where we eat our breakfast and dinner. But yeah, this octagon cottage is, oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm obsessed. We legit tried to extend already and they're like, no, it's booked. We will 100% be back in this beauty. Okay, so that was our home for the last month. I absolutely loved it. There was no distractions. It was a nice little break from the craziness of Canggu. I got things done on my off my to-do list that I've literally had on there for over a year. Like it was so good for my soul, and it was out in nature, which I freaking love. So, as always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Make sure you hit that bell, turn on the notifications so you're the first to know of any new videos I release. leave me a comment. Tell me about some unique stays that you have stayed in. Very curious to hear your experiences. And the next video will be right here in 3, 2, 1.